In today's video, I'm walking you through my favorite weekend face massage routine for sculpting, lifting and depuffing your face. We will begin with a soothing oil massage to prep and nourish the skin, and then we will move on to Gua Sha massage to really enhance the sculpting and lifting effects. So grab your favorite facial oil and let's get started. Oil massages are a wonderful way to pamper your skin, improve blood circulation and boost your natural glow. Oil massages soften the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by promoting circulation and collagen production. Apply few drops of face oil. Face oil provides the necessary lubrication to ensure smooth movements during the massage. It also nourishes and hydrates the skin, making it feel soft and supple. For a sculpted face, start from the cheekbones and lift the skin towards the temples. This technique enhances the natural contours of your face. Also, massaging the cheekbones to the temples further enhances the lifting effect. Repeat 5 times. Next, massage your ears. This often overlooked area holds a lot of massaging points. So gently massage in circular motions. Repeat 5 times. Now, using all 4 fingers of both hands, lift your cheeks in an upward direction. This helps to lift and firm the skin. Repeat 5 times. On the forehead, use the tips of 3 fingers, starting from the center and sliding outwards and towards your temples. This smoothens fine lines and wrinkles. Repeat 5 times. Next, using your ring finger, start from the inner corner of your eyes and slide to the outer corners. This helps to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Repeat 5 times. Now, perform the same motion on your eyelids as well. Repeat 5 times. Using 4 fingers of both hands, perform a zigzag motion vertically across your forehead. This helps to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Repeat 5 times. On the jawline, use upward strokes towards your ears. This lifting technique helps to define and tone the jawline. Repeat 5 times. Use upward motions to massage the neck area, promoting firmness and lifting. Repeat 5 times. Finally, finish off by tapping your fingers all over your face. This increases blood circulation and gives your skin a healthy glow. I am going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use a Gua Sha. And also I am sharing the amazing benefits it can bring to your skincare routine. This ancient Chinese beauty tool is known for its ability to depuff the face, regulate blood circulation and give you that natural glowing complexion we all crave for. Start by applying a facial oil on your face. This makes the Gua Sha tool to glide smoothly on your face. Start from the side of your nose and move the tool outwards towards your ear, lifting as you go. This helps to lift and firm the cheek area. Repeat 5 times. Next, place the tool at the center of your chin and sweep it along your jawline towards your ear. This helps to define and sculpt the jaw. Repeat 5 times. Place the Gua Sha tool at the side of your nose just above the apple of your cheek. Glide the tool outwards and upward, following the natural curve of your cheekbone. Repeat 5 times. Be very gentle under your eyes. Start from the inner corner and move outwards. This reduces puffiness and dark circles. Repeat 5 times. On forehead, using gentle pressure, Sweep the tool upwards towards your temples. Repeat this motion 5 times. Place the Gua Sha tool at the base of your neck near the collarbone. Glide the tool upwards in a smooth, even motion towards your jawline. Make sure to follow the natural curve of your neck. Repeat 5 times. Now, repeat the same procedure on the other side of your face. Gua Sha stimulates blood flow, which results in a brighter and more radiant complexion. The massaging action reduces swelling and puffiness, especially around the eyes and cheeks. Regular use of Gua Sha sculpt and define the face, giving a more lifted and toned appearance. Gua Sha reduces muscle tension in the face. It also helps to promote lymphatic drainage. The increased circulation and collagen production from Gua Sha smooths out fine lines and wrinkles over time. I hope you're feeling relaxed, sculpted and refreshed as I am. Remember, incorporating these techniques in your weekend self-care routine can make a huge difference in how your skin feels and looks. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until then, next time, take care.